Hey guys, KTV here. Alot to Nans house, episode 28, Grandad.
28?
Yep. However, go on Grandad, explain what's been going on. Grandad.
Toy and making holes.
Yeah, hang on. Go on.
What we're doing now is we took the floorboards up.
A couple of episodes ago.
And we're gonna put them down again, but we need to cut a bit.
For that socket.
That socket up that end, a new socket.
Yeah, I had on the socket.
That, and this drill is
a cone bit, it's called.
Drill.
It's called a cone bit.
With a cone bit at the top, which looks really handy for making holes in people.
It's called a step drill as well. It's called a step drill because of the... Yeah. We got another one up here. There's two different sizes of it. So let's start off by taking this down and see where we can go from there. This is where me and my granddad need woodworking expertise to get that cable that's going under floorboards. We need to cut a notch into the floorboard to be able to do it. And then we've got to cut around the skirting boards. Woodworking expertise.
Up there, isn't it?
Yeah. Can we bang these back in? Because they were nails. Hang on. Can we bang these back in? There you go. Hang on, watch it. Does that fill into you?
Yeah, it's fine.
There you go. So we need to work
one in, can't we?
I don't know, where are they? There's two boards, so let's try and find out.
So that one's the end one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That sticks at the end. So where's the other? You're threaded on it.
Right, let's try that one. We just use the machine to cut a notch. There you go, Grandad.
Oh, that's better.
Good old Draper pliers. I'll hold it. There you go.
Right, now put it back.
See if it fits.
See if it fits.
Right.
If it don't,
Try again.
cut a V up from there and a V from there.
Right. Right. Good news, guys. The floor is back, the skirting board is back, and the socket is plugged in there. The socket still lives on and works. Now we just got to be carpet fitters for about 20-30 minutes. So here's the current process. We've rewired that, the security lights are working. We're in the progress of rewiring the circuit, however we need two bulb holders because that lamp we used before, it's not rewireable, so we're not going to mess with that. We're just going to go with two bulb holder things that go straight on, two more of them. That should be bright enough to accomplish for the lights that my granddad wanted removed and that wall light. So yeah, that should be enough. We're just going Poundland LEDs, and the bulb for that is when I don't know, but there's a bulb in there with a bayonet cup. So yeah, we'll be back in a minute. We're going screw fits first. Okay, so just got out of everywhere, new blinds, probably for another episode. Got the bulbs. They didn't have any bloody standard ones, but my granddad's got candle, but he don't care, do you?
No, just a bit of light.
Yep. Then somewhere down here we had the, yep, we have the PMS again, light holders. So them, and nice and easy to do that well. So yeah, LED again, ultra bright, just generic LEDs, 25,000 hours, not dimmable. Yeah, that'll be alright. So let's get out of there now. Still raining and me and my granddad are still working. However, he's going to have 4 lights there, so that makes it 5. And we're using a Hager J505 or J501 on both sides as a master to do every bit of power. So it all comes out of a Hager box instead of the terminal blocks and electrical tape hidden everywhere. So what do you think, Grandad?
Good.
Looks better, don't it, already?
Very professional, yeah.
And this Hager J5, what do you think about the Hager J5? We've used it before.
Neatens it up, doesn't it?
We've got it up there. It is just an amazing product. And it cool grip, compliant. There's the first bulb holder working. If we were to connect that and plug that in, that bulb would actually light up straight away. Because it's basically on to a point now. So let's get this next one up. Does it look different around here? We're losing daylight, but we've got lights. So we're losing daylight, so we've got lights. However, doesn't that look better, Grandad? We had a hole saw to go around there, or little disc spade bit to go through the wooden joist. Then we're going to meet a Hager J5. Going to go to the new light over here, come back, meet the new light, and then it needs to go around to that light. Then this, then it needs to meet this light. So yeah, we're going to get that up now. Okay, Grandad, so go on, explain. Explain what's going on with this.
Right, we pulled the old light off the wall.
Well, lights, because we bought a few.
Pulled the light off the wall, the big round one, didn't we?
Yep.
And find that didn't work afterwards. So we've now replaced it with
a pendant, not a pendant, a straight batten holder, I believe.
Batten holder, that's it.
Yeah.
With 4 batten holders.
Right. And the wire is going through the wood, round, and then it goes through, meets the Hager J5, that comes across, then this light on the wall, it goes round, round, round there, then this wire in a minute will go here to this light. And yeah, it's working beautifully.
So there's 5 lights in all, wasn't it?
Yep.
When they're all working.
Yep. So yeah, let's get this going.
sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Bring that beat back.
I literally love the Hager J501. Best junction box I've ever used, I tell ya. However, we need to let the Grandad know. However, ta-da! Power and lots of light. And to make it all even more beautiful, we've got the lap grid system on it. So yeah, we'll be back with the Grandad. The consumer unit's on. Right, come around here and press that switch.
What switch?
The switch on the grid plate, the end one.
Way!
Look at that!
Way! Look at this, Di. Fucking hell. It's like Christmas again.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Blood, it's brighter, isn't it? 2 more lights. Wow. Wow, turn it on again. Turn these off. Wow. What's your verdict?
Yeah. Bloody brilliant.
Doors closed in a minute. Close the doors in a minute when we get the tools packed up. And then try it.
Yeah, if you want.
Yep, definitely. Let's get that now. Here we are in here. We have a key switch for our lights. So they're the security lights, the fuse for the security lights, the fuse for the lights in here, and the light switch. It's basically a 30 amp supply, so it needs that fuse. And on and off does it really well as well.